Hello, and welcome to Kleros Evidence Provider, strengthening decentralized arbitration using Web3. So KEP, what is KEP? Well, the Kleros Evidence Provider has been created so as to provide users with a way of being better able to manage the evidence that they submit when managing decentralized disputes, when conducting decentralized disputes using the Kleros protocol. The view is that for small claims, evidence management isn't an issue, but for large claims of high net worth, it becomes a serious complication, and it becomes vital to manage and attest the evidence that has been submitted. So this is where KEP comes in. It provides a focused on-chain management of evidence, allowing for agency, i.e. delegation, and thus preserving the security, chain, and audit trail. Because simply in high-value cases, the security chain is vital in that, users shouldn't have to share keys of any kind. And so it's kind of like very hard to see the head honcho over Uniswap in a dispute, sitting down to go through thousands and thousands of documents that may be used, to settle an arbitration dispute about something which had happened on chain. So how does it work? So how it works is that we have Jane. So Jane submits her evidence to KEP, and then what KEP does is that KEP converts her evidence to the EIP 1497 standard, which is compatible with Kleros, and then KEP stores Jane's evidence on IPFS, ready for her to use. Jane is then able to submit her evidence to her dispute using KEP, and then she's able to then have a tally of all of the disputes that she has submitted evidence to and what evidence is associated with which disputes, as well as an overview of the different types of cases that she's been working with on KEP. And so for a demo, and so this is the KEP UI. Yeah, this is the dashboard. So we have the ability to add evidence, and so the evidence is basically uploaded here, right? So you file here, you put some search terms here, short description, title, and then submit a name. These are all findable via the search field here. And then that entry, once that entry has been done, it'll then be reflected in this table over here, whereby the title, the submitter, the tags associated with the case count, and the submission date will all be shown. When you wish to submit evidence to a case, you simply select the various pieces of evidence that you want, and then you add the meta evidence ID, which you should already have, and you enter the party, which you are, and then you submit to the dispute, and then this will submit to the dispute on chain, and you don't have to intervene with that, and it should be reflected in your dispute on your Kleros-based dashboard. Thank you.